Hey everyone,
Hello,
I'm Amanda,
and I'm Marissa.
and we're here to react to
JHOPE!
Woo!
What? The Bay, Mahobi, Our Sunshine. He dropped another MV without letting me know. So
I know. It's like, you think that's okay? Is that okay, sir? I mean, yes, but no.
yeah, like I needed it, but I needed a warning.
But yeah, so we're gonna get started in 3, 2, and 1. Ugh.
What? It's
This
so
song
beautiful.
is such a fucking jam.
It is. It's low key lit. For y'all that don't know.
But you should know, because the
Yeah.
Hicks tape has been out for what, like a week, 2? I've listened to it on repeat.
Same.
It was. Oh.
Damn.
So he's sitting
Damn.
somewhere again with a bomb ass background. What
Oh
the fuck?
my
He's in a car,
God.
and his
He looks
hair,
so
his hair
hot.
is curly. Oh,
Yeah,
sorry.
it's okay. Oh, fuck. Wearing that North Face? He is so fine.
Damn. Ooh. Okay.
Damn.
Okay, sir. You gonna play me
I'm
like
gonna
that?
try and not die. So,
I just love his voice in the song,
I love his voice in every single song.
but it sounds so sexy in this
Yeah,
song.
it
Is what I'm
does.
saying.
It does sound sexy.
Ooh. Okay, with a bucket hat
Okay.
and a car.
Like, it's alright, but
Is he gonna dance? Is he gonna dance in this one? Because he didn't dance really in the last one.
oh,
I forgot to
he's
comment
gonna
about that.
dance.
I wonder if he will.
He better.
Woo!
I would die.
There's an airplane you missed, buddy. You still missing it though. You still on the ground. So, damn.
Man, he's just gonna be fucking swaggy this whole video.
Yeah,
Like,
he's
that
just
is what he's gonna
swag-tastic.
do. Yeah. If he doesn't dance just like a little bit, I'm gonna be like, whoa, okay.
Because in the
I
last
see
one,
you,
he did a little bit in the last video. Oh my god, his hair looks so good.
I love it when it's parted in the middle. I'm just like, oh, but not
Oh,
exactly
shit.
the middle.
Then he comes back with this.
One side has to have more hair than the other, but when he has it like a butt split in the middle, I'm just like, oh, babe.
He just looks super cutesy when he has a little butt.
Yeah. And I'm used to like this sexy ass fucking person messing up my life.
I need to get me a room like that where it's just like a screen in the middle. I'd be taking so many aesthetic pictures, man. Because he had this one in Daydream too.
Yeah.
He was in that same exact place.
Yeah.
Oh, you in the stars now? He in the stars now with Jimmy and Serendipity. Is that what's happening?
Is that what?
I don't know. It's probably his own story, but I'm just saying. I'm just connecting some dots that probably didn't need to be connected.
Yeah.
I want to connect them
Like
dots,
the dots on his jacket?
Yeah, on his jacket. Yeah. Oh shit.
Oh, fuck.
See, he keeps not going on the airplane. So
Oh my
what's
God.
that about? I need
It's
to read
over.
the lyrics, cause
It's fucking over.
yeah, it is.
No!
It just happened. I don't know.
I feel like that went by way too fast. Yeah, that was only 3 minutes and 21 seconds.
You know what? You
So
want to go
that's not
again?
enough. Damn.
Do you want to go one more time?
I ain't opposed to
Because
the
I mean, we were
idea.
talking the whole time.
Yeah.
So I feel like I always miss shit.
Okay.
I don't know about y'all, but I always fucking miss shit. So if you're okay with that.
Hell yeah, round 2.
Okay, well we'll do 3,
Airplane.
2, 1.
1.
Somewhere around there. The scenery.
Yeah, I feel like both of his music videos have just been like so aesthetically pleasing and beautiful and
Yeah.
just such visual
Shit.
shit.
I saw a star, a shooting star.
He is a shit.
But he wishes on scars instead of stars. So
Yeah, I don't get it. But
I mean, I get it. Kinda. Like in
I just feel like if these are stars, then it more sense. But I guess if he's trying to be deep, that would make more sense.
Damn. Yeah, so he's just super swaggy.
Yeah. I
He
feel like
didn't really dance that much still.
yeah. He's sitting in a nice comfy chair.
Now he cold outside.
Yeah. I would be in that car with him. Yeah.
You better roll up them windows. It's too cold. Oh my god, that part. It's just too much. I like that he's having fun though on both of these videos.
Yeah.
But I think this one has just like, there's just more feeling and more depth to it. So I'm assuming the lyrics are probably a little sad. Ah! His jawline. Oh my god!
Part of him is too much for me.
Ooh.
So
He had that face where he looked like he was just mad. Like he was like, oh yeah.
like that's me when I look. Oh my god! I feel like that's my favorite like outfit and look, and we see it like the least out of the whole video. I'm like, man, what the fuck?
Oh my god.
Yeah.
And they're like underneath on top. That's all the places to
I
be.
need to be underneath and on top too. Fuck. Yeah, this song is just, it's low-key lit. So everybody should like it. I had a feeling he was going to have a music video for this one. Like it was going to be something that's like the most well-known. Because like there's always like one or two like not really listened to songs off of an album.
Yeah.
And I was just like, no, this one has to be.
I feel like it had to be like just a like homicide.
Yeah.
Because I don't know if he'd do a music video for Baseline just because it's so short.
Yeah, I don't think so. But maybe like, I don't know, I really like Piece of Peace.
Yeah, that one's fucking
And
popping.
that one is like, yeah, and so I'm just like, I can imagine him on like a beach, just fucking chilling with everyone, wearing some like Hawaiian ass shirts, being touristy and shit. But swaggy and touristy, if that's possible.
I don't know, I feel like if, I don't know, you know when you like listen to a song and you have a music video in your head?
Yeah.
For it? So I feel like he's like, it's like blue, and it's like he's in the clouds, and he's soaring. Like, he's
just up there floating away.
Yeah, he's like a little angel up there, and he's like, you know, I wish I could be your piece of peace down there.
Oh, I feel like if I think of like Piece of Peace, sometimes I imagine like Super Mario. And he's just floating up in those clouds, like one of those little turtle guys, just fucking floating, being a piece of peace. I don't know. That's just what comes to my mind. And I want to be Yoshi, because Yoshi's my favorite.
For real. I think he's always been my favorite too, actually.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I didn't know that.
I mean, all he does is go, wow. And poop
Well,
out
then
some
he
eggs.
shits out eggs,
Yeah.
I don't know. It's pretty tough to beat.
Well, I always like Bowser too, even though he's the bad guy.
Oh.
He's just cool looking.
Sometimes I like
don't
the
know.
ghost.
Oh, Boo?
Boo?
Yeah, Boo's cute.
Boo
I just
is
don't want to
cute.
fuck with it. I'm just like, nah, bro,
I'm
stay
like,
away.
this hissing ass bitch. Like, he's like, ugh, you know? I can't do it, obviously, but like, he likes, I can't explain it.
Yeah.
Y'all know what I mean. I know you do. So.
Alright, so, yeah, you know, Hobie just turns into a conversation about Mario, you know.
Mm-hmm.
It's all good.
Yeah.
I know y'all play some video games and everything. But that was our reaction.
Yeah, obviously we love the song, we love the music video.
Yeah. I was excited.
I mean, why wouldn't we? It's
Yeah.
Hobie. We always love and support him.
Yeah. So y'all can like, comment, subscribe below.
Oh, hell yeah.
And we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
J-Hope!